Hi mga kalas, good morning! Kumusta? Today is June 3, first week of June, no? Welcome na po sa atong another day of Gangsoy TG. Before tamo proceed mga kalaags, no, please go og like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you could be you could follow me, and please support my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.
I got the futures.
Okay, mga kalaags, no? So, again, good morning, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat, no? Andito pa ako ngayon, papunta na po ako ng Santo Niño College po. Kasi po ang inyo pong kaibigan, ang inyong kalaag na si ako po, yours truly, I was hired by Santo Niño College to be the tour guide. No, ngayong araw na ito, we will be going to Baybay City. Wow, Baybay City, no? Kasi para meron tata silang part ng activity ng kanilang department ng tourism department, ano. So yun, I'm on my way now, no? So I will just be updating you, no, kung darating ako doon, and then what will happen during the tour. Okay? Yan, so mag-briefing na po ako, no? Orientation briefing before I start with my my tour, no? So these are the students. O saan nila ko siya?
BS Tourism Management.
Yan yung teacher si Rhea, BS Tourism Management of Santo Niño College. Okay, good morning again.
Good morning.
Hi guys, say good morning.
Hi guys.
Hello guys, we're going to have our tour.
Okay, where are we going?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, these are the students from Santo Niño College, no? Ano yung course niyo? Hospital, Tourism,
Bachelor of Tourism.
Bachelor of Tourism.
Management.
So 4 years. And then they're first year students, no? So 4 years pa na ko. Layo pa sila og natasuno na. But anyways, this will make them or break them no kaninga tour kay pagkuman-ani na sila gitawag nga exam or how do you call this? Report nimo, no? Regarding the tour and how are they and how well performed is the tour guide. Okay, so in this van we are about 13, but overall there are about 40 plus, no, na students. So anyways, yeah, that's it. We're going up to Baybay na. Our travel time is around an hour and a half, depende sa driver. Kung ganahan mi mulupad, 30 minutes ra. Kung ganahan mi kanang chill lang, so sa mga 1 hour and 45 minutes. So this is actually an observation di ay no mga kalaags, no? If you say tourism subjects, majority of the students are female, mga girls, no? Manang sara kay mga keke, si keke, mga laki.
5 females out.
So girl power ni kanakanan ang ato mga estudyante sa tourism, no? Even in my school where I'm teaching, majority of them are all ladies, no? Gamay ra kay lalaki. Ngano ka, no? Gamay ra kay mi rare ra kay mi gigumpa, mura big mga dinosaur, rare species. Kay lahat gamay ra mga laki sa industry. Sa Manila, this will be our future stewards, stewardess, hoteliers, tour guides, so on and so forth. Dakan pa din sila na mahitabuan nila in the future. So karon, I am a tour guide, so I'm going crazy. What I meant to say is I will assign them to be the tour guide for today in the van, and I will predict them later on as to what will happen, what is this place all about, no? I think ito duluan nila ni Rhea, ni Ma'am Rhea. What is tuloy dapat to kasama nila maestra. Ito joke lang. But hoping that they could answer my question if I have a question along the way. Bukod na kung kasi niya ko bang nagwa ko sa van. So ba na? See, bagay we just met today. By the way, this school is so So this tour is actually very important to me because I came from this school. I graduated from this school in 1996. So we are the first among the pioneering students who graduated high school in Santo Niño College. No, when we graduated, wala pa siya college. No, i-open pa na. Yeah. So kung you go to Santo Niño College, you will see the gym. I have one of the posti there. So what is exchange student? Exchange student is actually a group of students that are not from the Philippines but study in Visca. So what do you say in Visca? This trivia. By Visca area, VSU area is where you can find the tarsier of Bohol. Atong tarsier sa Bohol came from the tarsier in Bohol. The tarsier in Bohol came from if I had the tarsier in Bohol came from Pangasugan in Baybay Leyte. So gidala siya og saka gibaligya pa daw sa Baybay. Gibaligya pa daw sa Baybay sa gikuha sa Baybay, gibaligya ato sa Bohol, pato sa nabuhay sa Bohol. But it originally came from Baybay. Also the Philippine eagle in Davao originally came from Samar. So nag-migrate na sila by Davao, mula tayo sa Davao na sila. The tarsier actually just came from, originated here in Baybay Lake. Unsa may naa sa Baybay? Wala ko no syudad.
God.
So later we will see what is to see in Baybay. But now we are almost in the city now. Baybay. Oh, Monas lang. No, Baybay is known for the Pumpunan Church, which is where the miraculous Sarata Independence is collected. Sige, trivia or pautan or question. What is the difference between San Antonio de Padua sa Baybay, Pumpunan, sa Ormoc, diha sa Milagro, and sa Samar sa Giwan? What the difference?
Most visited siya ngayon ka nag-work siya mga miracle give her mga wishes and everything that he pray kay iyang work kung nagani work iyang i-give sa imo mura po na inaingon ni mo sa
Okay. Actually, the difference between the three is wala. Kaya parehas sa San Antonio de Padua. The only difference between the three is ang distansya sa usag-usa. Kaya ako sa Baybay, ako sa Milagro, ako sa Giwan. Nga na ito man mo sa Giwan? Well, mga ito sa Giwan, for one, kay Milagruso ko sila, same mag-iapos sa Baybay, Milagruso, same mag-iapos sa Milagruso. Mga ito sa Giwan, kay una, layo, apil na Soroy, apil po pa. Same goes dito sa Baybay. Minorita, apil na Soroy sa Baybay, apil na Pumpunan. At taglintaw, apil na Pumpunan. No? So, Dana Soroy. Leisure. Diba mana ang Pilipino, hilig pa nila Soroy. No? So, mana, actually, there's no difference. Probably, ang difference ito is paghimo sa naong. No? But,
maybe sa one month kadugayon
well, pwede saan. Kung kasi dugay nga ka, pwede saan. But same na sila actually. Same person na sa Trinity Paduang atantuan sa Baybay, sa Iwan, o Diliso. Same person na sila. Sa Pananglitan siya, makita na ko sa Birida, makita na ko sa Palumpon, makita na ko sa Kurmok. Siya rin same person na siya. It's just that, lagan lang kundi sa bayhana.
ay correct ka sir mo na siya sir nga muli siya birida pero tas palong
Ana! Wala!
Pusa.
Nagkabukingan ng mga kalahas. No? Grabe na ni siya.
guys manginhasaran ta diri guys okay naman to diri dol kapag hinasa unsa na kayo panain na mabangin
Record ko, kaya mag-imor pa ito record.
After the Anhela tour, they will have what we call reflection paper. So maghimo ni sila ka ng mga what have they learned on the tour? What have they see?
I have learned
What did
and I
they
have
see?
seen that I was asleep
What unusual
in
things
Third
they see on the trip? No, who was sleeping on the trip?
Very Andy Hanyo.
Kasi na
What
to.
number?
What van number sa na to? So pananglitan og muna og mi karon biyaan ni sa luoy kay ni sa ron. So mauna. So we are now in Baybay City. So we have
Naman to diri choy kato ganing choy ganing nga kuan yang nindot kay siya nga mura siya White House style.
Asa?
Diri
mo ganda sa angkon. Mo na ganda sa City Hall.
City Hall diba? Mo
Okay.
ginamong amo
What
din
is
ang abangan
what
for
is
me,
unique
ano,
sa Baybay? So ang Ela Sports Complex is like the museum in Italy. No? And then ang ila po City Hall is actually very nice. Mura po siya castle. Mura palasyo.
Oh,
So
yeah.
padung mi karon ngadto sa City Hall to have a courtesy call with the mayor and likewise meet the people of Baybay. Then afterwards we'll be going around the city and then go back to Ormo. Okay?
There na sila question.
Sige, sa question.
Kasi
Sa
mayor
mayor sa Baybay.
Ang apelido sa mayor sa Baybay is Cari. C-A-R-I. Kalimot ako siya
Girl
pangalan.
siya, sir?
Ha?
Girl?
Lalaki.
Boy.
Former congressman na siya, no? Si Mike, no, maganda yun, si Mayor Mike Karin.
Uy! Ano? Low-key.
I'm not sure.
Likod, sir.
I'm not sure ha, but
Uy, si Mayor nara sa likod. Nag-jump.
so here it is, ladies and gentlemen, mga kalakas. We are now here in the Baybay City Hall. So we'll be meeting with Ma'am Josie Granadano, the tourism officer of Baybay. And Baybay City Hall. So yun mga kalags, we are now in Baybay City. Yay! So we are welcomed na by the Baybay City Hall. No? So this is a tour from the from Santo Niño College of Ormoc Tourism Department. No?
You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing way oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh. I could be the best.
Hi, once again mga kalaags. No? So yeah, we're almost done with our tour. We are here right now at the Lintaon Peak, no? The 16,000 roses of the Lintaon Peak. So, information lang, Lintaon Peak is the most popular tourist destination in Baybay. Siya, no? Because of its scenery and its view, no? So, luckily for us, the city government hosted us here, accommodated us. No? We're thankful to the mayor that he gave us a coaster ba? Bilib ako sa coaster. Nakaakyat yung coaster dito sa sa Lintaon Peak ng kay taas-taas. No? But nevertheless, the students were able to enjoy the tour.
You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, oh. Way oh, oh. Way oh, oh. Way oh,
Kalaags, that's the end of my day of my tour. Again, thank you so much for the support and kindly support still my YouTube channel Gangster TJ by clicking on like and subscribe. No? So, thank you again. No? Hope to see you again in my next videos. Bye.
I got the future.